Hello students, this is my second video on the poem Money. Let me start with special features. First I will explain what is the title, then message, then rhyme scheme. The title. The poet wants to tell us what is the relevance of money and the connection between money and happiness. Message. The real definition of happiness is not wealth. Even if you have less wealth but good friends, you can remain happy in life. Third is rhyme scheme. The rhyme scheme of the poem is AABA, CADA, EFGF, HIJI, AK. Now let me explain the figures of speech. The first one is simile. The first example of simile is, for many a false man as a friend. Here we can make out the word as is already given. So that itself indicates that it is simile. Now the explanation. Here false man is directly compared to a friend. Let us see the second example. Then felt like a child that holds a trumpet that he must not blow. Here we can make out the word like is given. So in simile, you will always find the word as or like, they are always there in the sentence. So this itself indicates it is simile. Now the poet has compared himself to a child that holds a trumpet that he must not blow. The third example is, and how their wives do hum like bees. Here also the word like is given. So it clearly indicates it is an example of simile. The wives have been directly compared to bees. The next figure of speech is onomatopoeia. And how their wives do hum like bees. So the sound hum itself is a word. So it is an example of onomatopoeia. The next one is antithesis. We can make out the word morning and night, they are opposite to each other. So it is an example of antithesis. Next is alliteration. For many a false man as friend. For, the sound for has been repeated. So we can say the consonant sound of for has been repeated. And here the letter is F. Okay students, so for the summary of the poem, for critical appreciation of the poem, you can definitely visit my website learnenglish.com. Thank you students.